Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to go to safe mode or how to enable safe mode. Go to settings, select this settings icon, go to system, go down and select restart. Then press and hold OK button on the remote. Now we can see reboot to safe mode. Select it, TV will restart and go to safe mode. Let me try. Select reboot to safe mode. See, now TV is restarting. Okay, done. So now we can see safe mode. So a safe mode label on the left side bottom. That means right now this TV is in safe mode. So this way we can go to safe mode. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.